The website that I'm going to show you today is going to make you money online, and it has an unlimited earning potential, meaning that you can earn money again and again depending on how much time and effort you put into it. It works worldwide and also it is absolutely free to join. You just need to watch this video step by step till the end because I will also show you how you can maximize your profits. But just before we get to the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also a comment down below. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel Edinemia's World with notifications on, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that you need to do is to come over to this website called Ibotta or Ibotta. This is over at home.ibotta.com. As you can see right over here, you can get cash back on the things that you buy every day, like groceries, apparel, travel, and so much more. So you can sign up to Ibotta and start earning cash back today. But this is not something that we'll do today in order to get paid. There is another feature of Ibotta that we're going to use in order to get paid and not just save money. If you scroll down, you're going to see some of the features that Ibotta has to offer to their savers, but these are not relevant to us, so all you need to do is to come over here. You can read them by yourself if you want to, and then scroll all the way down till the end of the page. And something else I want to show you here is that you can download Ibotta on your iOS or on your Android device, or even you can add an extension to your browser, so you can use it even from your smartphone device. And if you go over to App Store, you're going to see that Ibotta has really good reviews. It has 4.8 stars with over 1.3 million of reviews, which shows that how legit and how great this website is and that you're going to get paid. You can even go over to Google Play Store and you can see that they have a rating of 4.4 stars with over 500,000 of people reviewing it. So when you come over to the end of the page right here, I need you to click over to affiliates down here, because today we are going to get paid by promoting Ibotta. As you can see, you can earn extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner. And here you're going to see what to expect from it, and you're going to receive $2 per referred registration. So each person that you refer on here and register on Ibotta, it's going to make you $2. And for example, if you refer like 100 people, you're going to make $200, and so on and so forth. And I'm going to show you where you can find a lot of people in order to refer here on Ibotta, so you can make money again and again. So stay tuned for that. So if you scroll down, you're going to see another thing, which is that their users have earned over $500 million of dollars with Ibotta. This shows how much potential this website has, and it can make you a lot of money as an affiliate. So in order to get started with it, you just need to click on Become an Affiliate here. And it's going to take you over to this page where you need to complete an application, and you need to put your first name, a last name, your email address, confirm your email address, put a username, a password, confirm the password. Here when it says company information, you can even put your name as an individual because you not need to have a company whatsoever. After that, here on the website, you can put the traffic source that I'm going to show you today. Here on country, you're going to see that it works worldwide, so you're going to find your country. It doesn't matter where you're from. Then you're going to put your street address, your city, your postal code, and so on and so forth. Put your payment information, and then you need to click on this box here in order to agree to their privacy policy, and then click on submit application. So after that, you're going to wait a little bit until you get accepted, and then you're going to get your affiliate link, which you're going to share with people. And here you're going to see that you're going to make $2 per each registration. You're going to make $2 even when you refer people and they install this app on their Android phone or iOS and so on. It's time for me to show you what you can do in order to refer people on Ibotta, and you can find a lot of targeted people and this platform that is going to help you for that purpose is called Trendry. This is over at trendry.com. Trendry is a make money online forum where people gather in order to talk about different ways and strategies about making money online. You can find a lot of forums here like Make Money, paid surveys, affiliate programs, passive income, forex, and also business and marketing forum, financial management, cryptocurrency forums, and so on. So you're going to see that Trendry has a lot of engagement. People are posting a lot of threads, a lot of messages, and as you can see here, there are over 1.8 million of views only to the Make Money Online forums. Another thing that I want to show you is that if you go over to similarweb.com, you're going to see that Trendry is being visited by thousands of people. More than 100,000 of people are visiting Trendry on a monthly basis. And you're going to see that the engagement on Trendry and traffic has been increased a lot in the past months. So it shows that this website is being appreciated by a lot of people, and they are coming from United States, Russia, and other countries as well. So all you need to do over on Trendry is to create an account for absolutely free, first of all, by clicking on the register button up here. After that, you're going to put a username, an email, a password, or then the date of birth, location, then confirm that you're not a robot, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then you're going to click on sign up. Or you can register here faster with Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, or Yahoo. So after that, after you created your account, all you need to do is to post a thread just like these people are doing here. You can post a thread in the Make Money forums here, and all you need to do is to write something along the lines of use this website in order to earn cashbacks and to earn some extra cash and something like this. And you're going to even mention the good reviews that Ibotta has and so on. And in order to not get banned, don't put your affiliate link on your thread directly, because you can get banned and you're not going to be able to post anymore. You can, for example, put your email on there and say people to contact you over your email, or you can even ask for their emails in order for you to contact them by yourself. You can communicate with them and you can give them your affiliate link. And for each registration, you're going to make $2, which is a lot actually, because as we saw, Trendry is being visited by over 100,000 of people. So all of those people will be able to see your thread and also to contact you, or you can contact them by email and you can tell them about Ibotta. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.